Cruise ships will no longer be required to follow the CDC COVID-19 recommendation. The agency's mandatory safety measures, they expired at midnight on Saturday. Instead, compliance with CDC protocols is optional, even though infections have doubled in the first week of 2022. Our Ileana Diaz is joining us now live from the Port of Miami to explain exactly what sailing will look like moving forward. Ileana, most people who get on cruise ships, number one, have been vaccinated. And number two, most of them are throwing out any concern because they're willing to take the risk. They want that vacation. They're not canceling their trips.
That's right, Adrienne. They do want that vacation, and all of them over the age of 12 are required to be vaccinated. And now what's going to change is the fact that starting at midnight, people going on cruises will no longer have to follow those COVID-19 guidelines put in place by the CDC. Instead, the CDC is launching a new program to keep passengers safe, and now those companies have the option to opt out.
The CDC says it's shifting to a voluntary COVID-19 risk mitigation program for cruise ship operators, with its current rules set to expire just after midnight. While the agency hasn't released specifics on the new program, its webpage provides a framework claiming this transition will continue strong measures to detect, mitigate, and control the spread of COVID. Despite the order's expiration, the CDC still isn't exactly putting its rubber stamp on going cruising. The agency still lists cruising as high risk and advises to avoid cruise travel regardless of vaccination status. Some cruise line officials taking issue with that direction, saying their industry follows stricter health protocols than other travel sectors. And many travelers appear unfazed by the CDC's recommendation, some telling NewsNation correspondent Brian Enton it's a risk they're willing to take as they head out to sea from Florida ports.
Have you seen that the CDC is advising people not to cruise?
I've seen that, but oh well, too bad.
You got to get back to living. Got to get back to it. Can't sit around stuck in the house forever.
If you do decide to take to the seven seas, here's additional CDC guidance for cruise goers. Make sure you are fully vaccinated and get a booster if you're eligible. Get tested 1 to 3 days before your trip and 3 to 5 days after your trip, regardless of vaccination status or symptoms. And wear a mask that keeps your nose and your mouth covered while in shared spaces.
Now, Adrienne, new details for that CDC program are expected to be released tomorrow. But again, there are no cruise ships here, and that's because all of them are out. So it's exactly what you mentioned earlier. A lot of people still willing to take that risk and go out for vacation.
Yeah, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.